What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today, yep, you saw the thumbnail. I'm officially done with these rollback covers or backflip covers with the company. I canceled my account with them. I'm done buying covers with them. I will tell you why. I tell you the dilemma, tell you the big argument that I got into with them. But first, I do have, well, you can't see it, but I got a cover. It's not in the box. Everything's brand new right there. It is a revolver cover. Here's the rails for it. It does fit a Ram 2500 regular bed, and not if you have the Ram boxes, this will not work. This is for non-Ram boxes. I believe, I don't remember the year, guys, but it is for a Ram. It's for a newer Ram. It's, you know, I mean, make me an offer. I know you guys can't see it. I'm just showing you a bunch of race fuel here, but it is under there. It's brand new, still wrapped up. I'm trying to find a part number on it to get an exact part, you know, what year, make, and model it's for, but I know it's for a newer Dodge. I just don't know the exact year. I'm pretty sure the bed, you know, stayed pretty much the same. So if you guys want it, DM me on my Instagram. I'll give you a smoking deal on it just because it's been here for a while. And what I'm talking about is this cover. So you guys know I ran these covers a lot. These were one of my favorite covers for a long time now. I am officially had it with the company with Backflip or Back Industries. That's what the company's called. I am not going to be dealing with them. So what I am going to look for, well, I'm looking for new covers now, but I'll explain to you guys why. So this, as you guys know, this cover, this is like the second one I put on the truck. So the quality of these covers, and look, I'll show you guys right here. This one is doing it again. Here, let me zoom in for you guys so you can see that. Look at that. The rubber, like the adhesive on this thing, the adhesive that they use on this cover sucks. I mean, I'm not the only truck. I've got a lot of customers complaining. I've installed these on for them, it coming off like this and hanging off. And mind yourself, my cover is probably, I don't know, a couple of years old. You guys know Lewis had a big problem. Martin's cover just broke, you know, the alkylator. This one now is coming apart. Look at right here. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is all coming apart here. Also, let me put this up. Oh, and if you're wondering why the truck is still here, guys, I know. I am selling it. Supposedly, tomorrow, Tuesday the 30th, this thing will be gone. Today is the 29th, Monday. Yes, it is still here, so well, we'll see what happens. But look at this part. You know, this part came off right here. I've had a lot of complaints about these covers. And so here's the thing. Here's the dilemma, and what pretty much happened is I have another customer, which, you know, I got no idea who this customer is, but he purchased that same cover from me, the revolver. What the? Okay, I guess. Jeez, look at these things. They're reading everything you say. You don't need to understand. I'm not talking to you, lady. But what was I saying? Yeah, so these covers right here. So as you guys know, I buy a lot of those. I sell a lot of those. People like them because they take up no room of the bed. You know, you don't have that box in there. So they're nice. They're flat. They're sleek. But they're not a hard top. So what happened was I have a customer that he was driving and his just completely failed. He was driving in some windy weather, he said, going through Palm Springs. It was a little windy, and he said he just heard a big boom and the cover just like snapped, like busted. And what I mean by busted, the teeth on them, I will show you guys over here. So on his, it looks like the teeth that are in these things, when you put them down right here, this is how you open it. So these teeth that are right there, they busted like completely off, and his cover's hanging. So I contacted the company, which the company used to be really good for warranty stuff. Now they're being a bunch of, well, you know what, and asking me a million questions, asking me about a serial number. I go, well, the cover has no serial number. By the way, they go, oh, we just stick it on with glue, with a little piece of paper right here. I go, you guys are kidding me, right? Your damn adhesive that keeps your, you know, rubber cover on right here can't even freaking stay on for longer than a year. And this thing's been garaged. I mean, you guys not even drive the damn truck. The truck sits in this freaking air-conditioned, climate-controlled garage. It's 70 degrees in here all year long. And this crap is coming off. So they're giving me a bunch of this BS and how there's no serial number cover. And then if we send you a new one, you have to like drill holes and send you a destroyed. And well, what we did with the customer, we already just threw it away because it was in my way and it was his way and it was clearly broken. So the company told me they're not going to warranty and send me out a new one because there was no serial number on there and because we can't send them destroyed photos. And I go, so what do you want me to tell the customer? They go, oh, we can give him a friends and family discount. So they want to charge him again for another cover. Or charge me, I wouldn't charge the customer. I would end up eating that because I'm not gonna charge a customer twice for something that has a year warranty, which this guy's cover was probably 7 months old. So, as you guys know, I mean, I used to talk highly about this cover. So Back Industries, you know, if you guys are watching this, sorry, I'll never ever buy a cover from you guys ever again. I don't even care if it's a hard top. If it's coming from you guys, Back Industries, I will not buy the cover just because of your warranty. Like, if a serial number is that important to you guys, then what you guys need to do is engrave that serial number in there. Not put it on a little piece of paper with some glue and stick it on there and expect it to stay on when your felt or cloth, whatever you guys have on there, can't even freaking stay on. How do you expect it to stay on? And majority of the time, people that have their trucks, if they see a sticker on there, they're probably gonna take that sticker off. So, Back Industries, that's a crappy design that you guys did right there. So guys, for you guys out there that are watching this video, let me know if there's a new company. I have seen a company called Truck USA. I might go with them because for the new Ram, as you guys know, it's going to be here probably in 2 weeks, hopefully. I don't know. We're actually, you know, we're gonna call Mario and get an update for you guys real quick. But I was going to put this same cover on there, a Back Industries cover. But after this whole situation, this incident, I am not going to use them. I'm not going to recommend them. So for you guys that I have sold those covers to, I hope that they're still doing good for you. And, you know, the warranty process and how they are, I don't know. I will try to warranty it for you guys. But other than that, their warranty sucks because that's a bunch of BS telling me there's no serial number. And I sent them photos. If you guys, I mean, we went emailing back and forth for probably a month. I mean, this is how long it took. It was ridiculous. I don't know if they're under new management or what, but I sent them photos that it was broken, sent them photos of the invoice, proof of purchase. They needed that, you know, explain to them how many of those covers that I have purchased from them, and you guys know how many you bought from me, and how many you've seen on my family's trucks, my trucks, customers' trucks, all these trucks, how many of these covers I have bought. And they're like, well, sir, you know, pretty much at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. So, long story short, I'm never going to purchase from Back Industries again. And for you guys that do purchase from them, make sure you be careful. Make sure you have all your serial numbers and all this crap so they don't give you no BS. I think their whole dilemma is they're just trying to get out of not warranting it. That's got to be the main reason why, because that's a bunch of BS. I mean, I sent you photos of this thing busted. It's clearly broken. The quality of them are crap. I mean, these guys haven't had it for a year and they're having nothing but problems with these covers. So guys, please let me know. Give me some new ideas, because once a new Ram gets here, I want to put a cover on it right away, and I'm not going to put a Back Industries cover on that thing. All right, now guys, we're going to call my buddy Julio over here and see when this dang Ram is coming. So let's see here. Julio, hello. Oh, he's still ringing.
What's up, Eddie?
Hey, Julio! Say what's up. You're on YouTube right now, man.
What's going on, YouTube?
Okay, so YouTube wants to know where the hell my Ram is, man. They're getting pissed.
It's somewhere in the earth. On the earth.
Oh, okay, like you told me that last week. Yeah, come on, can you, you know, because everybody knows we got a truck event coming up August 11th, so we got to figure out when, am I going to get this thing or what, man? Give us a status update.
You're gonna get it, I promise, eventually. But
oh, shit.
the status update is it got delayed because of the train crash in Dodge County. That was unfortunate. Somebody died.
Oh,
but
damn, that
it's still
sucks.
on its way to us, and it's supposed to arrive in Loma, California on the 2nd of August. From there, it's going to take maybe a week or so to get to the dealership. Hopefully shorter. I hot listed it, so use the hot list, bro.
Okay.
That'll get us the vehicle sooner, and then, you know, once it's at the dealership, I'm gonna make everything quick and easy and get it down to you ASAP. I want you to be at your show. I don't want you to miss that.
Okay, yeah, because I'm going to be pulling up with, like, no truck, man. I'm going to have to pull up like Fred Flintstone in, like, I don't know, some car.
Yeah, no. I wouldn't want you pedaling with your feet.
So wait a minute. There was a train crash, you said?
Yeah, Dodge County. They had a log truck. You know, it's basically a semi carrying those big logs.
Yeah.
A train hit the log truck.
Oh, crap. And my truck was in it?
No.
Oh, whew, I was gonna say, is my truck okay?
We don't, at least at this point, we don't think so.
Oh, we don't even know. Oh, shit, here we go. We don't even, but guys, we don't even know if my truck's gonna be coming here in one piece now. Oh, great. Oh, jeez. Okay, so it's coming to Mira Loma though, August 11th, and so, I'm sorry, August 2nd, and maybe I'll get it a week after that, you're saying?
That's the soonest that we'd probably be able to get it out to you, because it takes about a week from Mira Loma to us when it's hot listed. But I've been bugging him and telling him, get me this truck. I really need it ASAP.
Okay, all right. Well, there you have it, guys. You asked me for an update, and that is the latest update that Julio has given us. Again, we are hopefully make sure the train driver, everybody's okay. You said one person died in there?
Yeah, the guy driving the log truck.
Damn.
Didn't make it. He was 23.
Oh man, that's how was he, like, stuck on the track, or?
The article I read on it didn't give me that. Yeah, but it didn't say it specifically, but it just said that the train hit the log truck.
Damn, that sucks. Wow. Okay, well, there you go. There you have it, guys. The update on the Ram. So you guys can. I know you guys keep DMing me and asking me. So Julio just gave you guys the update. As of for me too, I was not aware of that either. Well, there you have it, guys. That's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.